Shoshin. Shoshin. Approach every task like you are just a beginner. Approach every task like you have never attempted it. Being curious. Curiosity is the first secret to learning everything, knowing whatever you want to know. When you are curious, you will learn more. When you are curious, you will get more information about different things. When you are curious, you will get more information about how to approach every task. So being more curious will help you to become successful, will help you to learn different ways to approach tasks, will teach you how to solve different problems. So curiosity is very important when it comes to striving to become a successful person in life. Especially when you are an entrepreneur, it is good to be very curious. Curious to know everything about your operation. Curious to know everything that you want to do in life. Shoshin. That Japanese techniques will actually teach you how to be very curious.